ちは、エリンです。今日も一緒に日本語を勉強しましょう。Oh, why does summer break have to end? So sad. So now the fall semester has started and students among us are back in school again. Why not learn Japanese you would hear in a classroom or school setting? School in Japanese is 学校. The word 学校 comes from the words 学 to learn and 校 a place for learning. Elementary school in Japanese is 小学校. In Japan, it's typically 6 years. 6年. Secondary school or junior high is 中学校 in Japanese. It's typically 3 years. 高校 is high school. It's also 3 years long. And finally, college is 大学. Instead of using words like freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior in Japanese, we attach the school and the name of the year to describe one's grade. So if I were to say a senior in high school, I would say 高校3年生. 高校 being the school and 3年生 being 3rd grade. So the 3rd grade in Japanese high school is a senior. I am 大学生 right now. I like 大学 college because we can wear our own clothes. 私服 instead of uniform. 制服 制服すっごい嫌いでした. I hated my school uniform. And here are the names of some of the subjects in school. Subject in Japanese is 科目 or 教科. Math is 数学. 数学は難しいです. Math is hard. Literature is 国語. 国語で本を読みました. I read a book in literature class. Science is 科学. 科学で実験をしました. I did an experiment in science class. And phys ed is 体育. 体育では体操着を着ます. You wear gym clothes during this class. Out of all the subjects, I was the best at art in high school. 高校で私の得意な科目は美術でした. 得意 means you're good at it. So, 得意な科目 means a class you're particularly good at or better at than the other ones. そして苦手な科目は社会でした. And I probably was the worst at social studies. 苦手 means you're weak at something. So, 苦手な科目 is a class you just don't excel at, unfortunately. You can also use the word 苦手 for people, things, or foods you just don't like. So now that these classes are over, it's after school. After school is 放課後 in Japanese. After school activities and extracurriculars are called 部活 in Japanese. And a member of an extracurricular activity, for example, a sports club, is called 部員. So if I were to say a member of our school's kendo club, I would say 私は剣道部の部員です. The 部 in 剣道部 means club, just like how the 部 in 部員 club member means club. And in Japan, there's supposedly a club for people who don't participate in any after-school activities and just go directly home. It's called 帰宅部, where 帰宅 means to go home. So although they're not really part of an official club, these guys who just go home get lumped together as a category and they're called the Go Home Club. Weird, huh? Although school may not be the most inspiring subject to talk about, I hope this lesson was a little help to everyone. A lot of Japanese mangas and dramas are set in schools, so I'm sure you'll hear some of these words every now and then. 次回もお楽しみに。またねー。